Hello everybody, I have a package here. This, we will open it up. This is a tin can MR195407. Customer sent this in because it's got issues. We don't see many of these metal tin can ones. These are a little bit more difficult to repair because they usually have capacitor leakage inside of them, and it destroys the traces. If the transistors short out in it, it usually takes out the microcontroller. So we don't see many of these because most of the time they're beyond economical repair. But I will give him a look at for him, and we will do a follow-up when it's done. Catch y'all later.